Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Radius. In this video, I will show you how to use File Explorer in Windows 11. You can access File Explorer in different ways. You can click on the icon. You can access directly from the desktop by clicking this PC icon if it's here. If it's not, right click, go to Personalize, scroll down to Themes, scroll down to Desktop Icon Settings, select Computer, Apply, then click OK, Close, and now you can see this PC on your desktop. Click onto that to access File Explorer. Another way, you can click on or tap on the keys, Windows key and the letter E key at the same time to get File Explorer that way. You can right click on the Start button, File Explorer. You can click on the Start button, and in the Start section, if you've seen the icon for File Explorer pinned to the Start section, you can do it this way. Or if it's not here, you can type in File Explorer in the search bar, or you can go to All Apps to find this. Go to File Explorer. You can have the File Explorer icon left of the power button. To get the icon to show up here, click on Settings, go to Personalization, scroll down to Start, go to Folders, and find File Explorer and toggle it on. Close, go back to the Start button, click on that, and now you can see the File Explorer icon left of the power button. So you just click onto this to access File Explorer. I did it twice, but yes, you're in File Explorer. In File Explorer, the Home section is the default section. Towards the left is the navigation pane, and the options are Home, Gallery, OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, Documents, Pictures, Music, Videos. Below this is this PC and Network. Click on this PC and you see all the devices and drives on your system. Go back. You can expand and collapse the options over here. Click on the arrow or any arrow besides the names. So click to expand, click to collapse, and you can double click on the name to expand, double click to collapse. Click on the C drive. In here are the folders that contain program files and Windows user files and other folders containing different types of files. To drill down into these folders, go to the navigation pane, click on the C drive, which is within this PC, click on the arrow to drill down to the folders, and to drill down from these folders into subfolders, I'll click on Microsoft, for example. I click on the arrow to drill down to the subfolder of Windows within the Microsoft folder. Now to navigate back, click on the back arrow. Now you're back in the main section of the C drive. We can click on the forward arrow to go back to the folders within the C drive. Now to go back to the parent section where these folders are, click on the up arrow, and that will jump us up in the hierarchy to the main section where these folders are, which is the C drive. And this is some quick navigation which is easy to get around to navigate to the files and folders that we want to use or to view. Click on Documents, click on a file, and when you do this, these options become available. We can cut a file and paste it into a folder or onto the desktop. We can copy a file. We can paste the file that we've copied. We can rename a file. We can share a file by sending it to someone by email, or we can share it through Microsoft Teams, phone link, and these are all the options and more. We can delete a file. We can sort the order of a file by name, date modified, type, and go to more. We get a sub-menu. We can sort by size, date created, authors, categories, tags, title, and this can be done ascending or descending. We can group by name, date modified, type, size, date created, authors, categories, tags, title. Over here, the preview pane, where we can preview files. Click on the file, and here's a preview of the file. But we can't get the preview of a folder, only files. Right click on a file. This opens up the context menu in File Explorer. Right here, you have the same options as you do at the top within the document section. Cut, copy, rename, share, delete. Now, the context menu is dependent on whether you have right-clicked on a file or a folder. In this case, it's a file. Below, you have the option of called Open. This will open the file with a default app. To open a file with a alternative application, go into Open With, choose from the list, or pick your own application to open this file. Now, with the options such as Properties, Compress to zip file, Copy as path are in both context menus, whether it's a file that's been selected or a folder. Right click on a folder. This opens up the context menu that is specifically for folders. Go to Open a new window, and this opens up a new File Explorer window of the folder that you have selected. You can have a side-by-side view, and this is good to compare folders and good to compare files, and you can copy and paste files into different folders. I'm going to close this. Right click on folder 1. For folders and files, you will see at the bottom show more options. Click onto here, and this will display a legacy context menu from past versions of Windows. In File Explorer, there is a search option over here, and you can click a letter, word, or the name of a file or folder. So I'm gonna type folder 1, and this locates folder 1, which is highlighted in yellow. This is useful and very helpful because you can search for any file or folder within documents. I'm gonna close this. Now I'm going to talk about Painter Quick Access. Go to File Explorer, Documents, select a folder, right click, go to Pin to Quick Access, which allows you to bookmark frequently used folders for easy access from the Quick Access section right here. So click on that. Now the folder is within the Quick Access section. To unpin this, right click, unpin from Quick Access. And you can also remove recent folders from the Quick Access section that appear over here. Another bookmarking option is to pin to start, which adds the chosen folder to the start menu as a shortcut. So I'll show you. Right click, go to Pin to start, start button, start menu, and in the pinned section, go down until you find folder 1. Now to remove this, right click, unpin from start. Now I will show you how to add files to favorites. Right click on our file, add to favorites, and this will go to the home section right here. So let me close this, click on File Explorer, and straight away the file that you want to be in your favorites has quick access directly when you open up File Explorer. Now to remove this, select, right click, remove from favorites, and now that's gone. Now that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe. Take care.